Ms261. Troubleshooting the oiler. I've got it broke down here. This is a late model low hour saw. Got it pulled all the way down to the pump. Owner didn't think it was oiling quite like it should. Wanted me to check it out. No problem. So I tore it down. It's a low hour saw. This is the oil pump drive gear. It's in very good shape. So we're just reassembling. I'll set you off to the side. We're going to reassemble this. So like I was just showing you, oil pump drive gear. Scatter shield. Clutch. Speaking of clutches, this is like I said, this is a low hour saw, and I've not cleaned anything. Look at how clean this thing is. Very clean. That was the one I've just got off the phone with the owner, and that's the only thing I saw. A little bit of surface rust on the inside between the scatter shield and the clutch itself. Spin you around here. Left hand threads. Clutch drum bearing. Get a little bit of grease. I'll put a little on the crank and just a little on the bearing. Like so. Clutch drum. Pop in place. Sprocket, and this saw is running a 3/8 pin. In talking to him, I thought it might be a 325, but it is in fact a 3/8 pin, which uses a Stihl large mount. Got a good wear pattern on this sprocket. I'm going to go ahead and reverse it. This is how it came off. I'm going to reverse it. So we got that documented. Washer. E-clips next. Go. The rest is fasteners and basic assembly. Try to keep you set up here where you can see all this. This is a non-M-tronic saw, but it does have captive bar nuts. I'm not sure about the coil, if it's limited or unlimited. Just not sure. I'd have to run the numbers personally to know. So got a heat shield here of sorts. Very difficult to get the spark plug out with that in place, but it's very well insulated. I like that about it. Very well insulated. Right, that's how that goes back. Very small screw. All the heads are T27, but this one in particular is the smallest one I'm putting in place right now. And all these fasteners will be loosely installed. Clutch covers next. Okay, the coil wire goes underneath this insulator. I missed that just now. Now we've got it right. Okay. And again, there's a small screw, T27 head, but this again is a small screw that holds this insulator in place. This is not the cover screw. This is just for that insulator. Chain brake pivot. It's pretty much self-explanatory there. It's got a bushing of sorts that rides in, and the last three screws are all the same size for the pool cover, starter cover, fan shroud. Like I said, we did turn this oiler up. It was, I would suppose, in economy mode. This saw's running an 18-inch bar. There is a control bolt output upgrade, and I'm going to put that in the link to this video. For those of you that would like to know, make this saw turn out even more oil. But I'll put that in the link, part number for that control bolt. I've got a high output oiler video for the 1128 series and the 361, 341, 361, 362, 441, 400 series. So this is obviously a 261. So there's that. Plug wire's on, plug is torqued, all the fasteners back on, top cover. And there's your view of that carburetor. This is not an M-tronic saw. I was hoping for an M-tronic to play with in the wood on camera, but it just didn't happen. It didn't turn out that way. There's that. Going on with the bar. You guys know how to do that, right? A view of those captive bar nuts for those of you that hadn't seen that yet on a Stihl product. There we go. Bear with me, I'll open the door and we'll fire it up, see if the oil's any better. So, as you can see, she's slinging oil. The chain is really oily, and to the client, you can turn that down if that's too much. Just back it off. I showed him how. So, thank you for watching.